In front of me is Realme GT and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down and click on App Lock. Now select Got It and tap on this switcher next to App Lock to activate it. If you don't have privacy password already, you need to set it up to lock your apps. To do it now, select Settings in the pop-up. Then click on Use a different password type and tap on the best one for you. Finally, you get to create it and repeat it to confirm it. When you're ready, set up recovery email over here and tap on confirm to save it. Then answer security question. If you don't like it, tap on it and pick one of those, or select custom question and create your own. Hit confirm to save it and remember to answer it correctly below. When you're ready, use this check mark at the top right corner. Then select Done and finally click on all of those gray switchers next to all of your apps that you wish to lock. So when I go back and check one of those apps, I can see that app lock is required. To disable it from any app, go back to the same settings, enter your app lock and click on No Blue Switchers. To turn off app lock completely on your device, click on blue switcher next to app lock feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!